So I woke up this morning with a gnarly headache, the same stupid headache that I've had for 3 days. And it was so painful that I was almost in tears. And I don't want to take medicine because I don't think that I should have to take medicine to not have a stupid headache. And so this is a lesson for me and maybe for anyone else that needs it. On the way here, I prayed. I asked, can this be taken away so I can do my work today and not fall apart? I asked that simple thing, and I didn't just ask, I pled. Now, ever since I've gotten to the job site, I've been able to work without that throbbing in the back of my head. It's not there. Did I do anything special myself to cause it to go away when I arrived to do my work? No, I didn't do anything different. Is it coincidence that my headache went away so that I could work when I pled for it and when I expected that he would step in? No, it's not coincidence. I don't believe it is. So I choose to give credit to God for that thing. Could it be coincidence? Sure, I guess it could. It doesn't make sense to me that it would be, logically, because of when it happened, in the circumstances in which it happened. This job is stressful, it's huge, it's a hard job, and I need to be able to function. But I'm choosing to believe that it was him. What does that make me? Does that make me naive? If it does, I don't really care. I think there's an attitude that we can take. We can attribute the good in our life to God's blessings and care for us. Or we can choose to brush it off and call it something else, or just not even recognize it at all. But what does that do for you to just say, oh, it was something else, or it was coincidence, or I don't see how that helps us. I think God wants us to have opportunities to rely on him. Not just rely, but plead for his help and assistance when we think there is no other way. And this morning was a small but significant example of that. I need to do that more in life. I need to make sure that when in doubt of the source, put that in God's category. Attribute it to him as a default. Miracles do exist, but the way we think of the word miracle is sometimes too grandiose. It's a beautiful day. This is a beautiful place I'm in. I have the privilege of working, earning a living, and supporting my family. And what a blessing to now feel good and whole and able to do the work that I need to do, that I'm expected to do, the work that God has provided for me. And again, that's a chance to attribute something to him. And I do. So, there. Back to work I go.